All right, so on my shelf here, I have quite a few shelves I've built in, so there's lots of things that I need for tools and different things going on here. But currently I'm working on projects for our farm camps, and so what you'll see are some dimensionally cut down products that are going to be for a treasure box, for birdhouses, for recipe cards, and there's some more sorted out projects for the camp. And also, one of the things you can do with blocks from the when you cut a pallet up, you get nice 2x4s that you can turn into blocks, and then we sand these up and use them with paintings that we do. And then there's smaller ones, and I have them bagged up because I get so many of these offcuts. You'd think that you might burn them all, but no, we can actually sand these and use these as well for products that we sell with in our store. The rest of the wood I have here drying up and being ready to use, as much as it'll dry in my basement, for other things we make, including signs that have 3 boards together in them. And I have them sorted out so I can usually take them upstairs to dry for the next time we get working on them. Some of the tools you may find the most useful if you're doing things with pallets are a good solid floor model sander. This is from Grizzly, and it was affordable at the lower level, but still a very good tool. I use it for many hours at a time. And also that's a 6x48 inch belt on that. The next one down is the 4x36, and this is Porter cable, and this is what I use for the smaller things, such as the blocks and the mini signs that we make. So those are some of the common tools I use for cleaning up wood. The main tool I use for cutting things to the right dimensions is my DeWalt slider saw. This is a great tool, very versatile. You can make a lot of use out of this. Recommend you get something at least like this, the 12-inch blade, good use for that. And also a good drill press. This is just a table model, but it's Porter cable and it's a solid unit. We of course drill all that we can with that because it's a nice straight drill in for us. You'll need other things in your shop, as you may know. A good source for working out in the field and in the barn and things is the cordless battery-powered Milwaukee circular saw and Sawzall combo. That's a great tool set to use. Many of us use those in work environments where corded power just isn't a real possibility. I also have an old saber saw from Bosch. I've been using that for probably 20 years. That's been a good tool and continue to be working when I need it for things that have curves and things in them. In the pallet area, I do have a table saw. This has been a great tool also because I need to cut wood down to width correctly, and this is a good model to get. You can get these for maybe $300, but it's a good solid unit. You can actually pick it up and take it somewhere if you need to. You can see I have a lot of things in motion here. If you're going to do things building with pallets for a farm, you got to have a lot of wood to work with, and so I continue to cut pallets up and make use of them. This is probably one of the more common pallets I get. It has blue on the ends of the boards. I find this locally. I've built several buildings with this pallet, and also is the basis for many of the products that we build to sell. And that's what we've got going on here today. Any comments about this? I know I could probably have a cleaner workshop, but it does get used. And appreciate you folks tuning in. If you have comments, just leave them below, and love to have you subscribe. Thank you.